Good afternoon students, welcome to class 8 biology class, and today we are going to start the types of forest and their flora and fauna. Flora means is the plants and fauna means animals. Okay, types of forest. The different types of forest, actually the main three types of forest given in your book is the tropical, temperate and boreal forest. Today we are going to start one of the most important forest. This is called tropical rainforest. These are the three main types of forest given in your book. The first, tropical, temperate and boreal forest. Okay, today we are going to discuss this is the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest, the location important, and in this forest actually the location, flora and fauna. The different what type of plants found in the tropical rainforest and what type of animals found in this forest have to learn properly, and from this question will come. Okay, the first one, the tropical rainforest. Today only I will discuss is the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest, first one, the location. Have to know the location. Okay, the 3 points have to remember. Number 2, flora, and number 3, fauna. Okay. The first one is the location. Where it is located? The tropical rainforests are located in the 3° north and south of the equator. This area have the tropical rainforest climate in which there is a no dry season. The tropical rainforest means there is a no dry season. Means almost this is the climate in which there is a no dry season. This type of rainforest is found in the Central America, South America and the Amazon basin. Okay, where it is located? Actually they are found in the Amazons and the Central America and South America, and such forests in India. Where the such forests are found in the west coast and the northeastern region of India. In the world where it is found in the South America, North America, actually this is the Amazon area. Okay, and in the India, the sarsaparilla are found in the west coast and northeastern region. Okay, this one is the location. The location most important, the tropical rainforest where is the location. And the second one, the flora. The flora actually the evergreen trees with a broad leaves from the major vegetation of the tropical rainforest. Actually here the plant are found the evergreen. Evergreen almost the green in color, the leaves present is called the evergreen, and the broad leaves also present. The trees are tall and form a canopy layer. The trees, all trees are the tall and form a canopy layer. Okay, and the sunlight do not come inside. That's almost in dark, not dry. Almost this is the swampy and wet like that. And the epiphytes grow on the trees. What is the epiphytes? The question is the one question. This is the what is epiphytes? Epiphytes actually the organisms. Epiphytes of an organism actually they grow on surface of the tree. And they derive the nutrition from the rain, water vapor. These called are the epiphytes. The epiphytes of organism they grow on the surface of the tree. Okay, and the orchid, fern, rubber tree, the rosewood, mahogany, palm, bamboo, this type of tree found in this region. This is the tropical rainforest. Along with the spice trees has a cloves, cinnamons, and found this forest. Also the spices. The cloves, cinnamon, this is the found in this region. This is the tropical rainforest. This is the completed now flora. Now coming, this is the what is fauna. The what type of animals found in this tropical rainforest. Many animals reside in the tropical rainforest. Brightly colored birds brightly colored birds such as parakeets, the terns, macaw, parrots, hornbills, sunbirds. The different types of birds is present. The brightly colored birds are present. The animals are the lemur, monkey, sloth bears, leopard, jaguar, elephant, deer, antelope was found in this forest. This type of animals found: monkey, leopard, jaguar, lemur, okay, and sloth bear, antelope. The different types of animals found in this tropical rainforest. A wide variety of insect also, butterfly, mosquito, and spider, snail, leeches are seen in the tropical rainforest. The brightly colored birds present in this. The birds names have to remember given in your book, and also the animals, monkeys, sloth, there are different types of animals. Also the insect, the butterfly, leech, and the mosquitoes, and the other one is the spider, snail, leeches are found in this tropical rainforest. This one is the fauna. Okay, three main points have to remember is the location, flora, and fauna. And what is epiphytes? The one question, the short type questions, what is epiphytes? The epiphytes actually in your book is not there, the definition is not there, and again I have told already, this is the epiphytes. The epiphytes are the organisms, they grow on the surface of the tree, they derive the nutrition from the rain, water, the water vapor release. These are called the epiphytes. Okay, I hope it's clear. This is the only, today only discuss the tropical rainforest. Okay, thank you.